degrees. "26 minutes until touchdown. We'll start processing data through the Dryden Flight Research Center about 13 minutes from now. All of Discovery systems behaving beautifully. 48 statute miles above the Earth, range to touchdown 3,600 statute miles. Sync rate of about 200 feet per second. Discovery soon will begin a series of banking turns. Discovery now has begun its first roll reversal about 78 degrees to the left, then will bank back to the right to induce an opportunity to increase its drag coefficient, burning off excess energy as it approaches the landing site. If you were to look at this on a map, it would appear like an S-turn effect on a ground track map. The ailerons and elevons behaving beautifully as Discovery continues to bleed off excess energy. Flight Director Richard Jones reports that we're right on the trajectory. We're nearing a disposition here on our runway selection. It apparently will result in no change to the runway. Discovery 45 miles in altitude above the Earth, 2,800 miles from the landing site. Continuing a series of roll reversals to dissipate its speed. As we approach the California coastline, Discovery will be traveling over the Los Angeles basin with its computers honed in on runway 22 at Edwards Air Force Base.
Discovery Houston for a weather update.
Go ahead, Houston.
Okay, current winds 100 degrees, 10, peak 15. For runway 22, that gives us 6, peak 8, tailwind, 8, peak 12, left crosswind. We're going to stick with runway 22. We'd like you to select short field speed brake, and we also have a new altimeter setting of 29.87.
Okay, 29087. We'll give you a short field speed brake, and we'll be all set up for that. Thank you.
Good readback.
And so after some discussion about the best option regarding the wind speed and the direction of the wind, we have elected to stay with our original plan, runway 22, the northeast to southwest approach to that 3-mile-long concrete runway. Commander Rick Sturckow will continue towards an overhead right-hand turn of 210 degrees to align Discovery with runway 22 at Edwards Air Force Base. Time to touchdown now, 21 minutes. Everything in good shape on board the orbiter. Range to touchdown, 2,200 statute miles. All of the new information has now been uploaded into Discovery's onboard computers by the guidance officer here in Mission Control. 7.5 minutes away from processing data through the Dryden Flight Research Center. Discovery currently traveling 21 times the speed of sound with a sync rate of about 100 feet per second, 42 miles above the Earth, 1,800 miles until it reaches Edwards Air Force Base in California to bring this 14-day mission to an end.
Discovery, you can ignore that GPS message.
Discovery, welcome.
18 minutes until touchdown. Discovery traveling almost 14,000 miles an hour, 41 miles above the Earth.